Hello children, how are you? Now second class mathematics. So what is our chapter children here? Now in previous class 2 part 4 will be completed, now part 5. So what is our chapter children? In fifth chapter, addition of numbers. In fifth chapter. Chapter name is say addition. Addition spelling say children. ADDITION. 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 NUMBERS. 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 Addition of numbers. So write all of children. In the previous class 2, in third bit 2, I am explaining that additions only children. Now in that bit 2, I am explaining that 2-3 problems only. Remaining problems you are only practice do children. Otherwise, not only came for your additions. So now I question. In third bit, I question. Add the following pairs of numbers. In previous class 2 we already learned 34 plus 32. Here having 34 and 32. Which line will add in children? First of all we are writing first number 34. So 3 tens means 30 plus 4 ones. This like only write. Very easy way only I am explaining for. This addition for easy way only. Next 32. 32 means 30 plus 2. So here we will do addition. 4 plus 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 balls and 2 balls. You count total how many? 6. Plus here 30 plus 30. 30 plus 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 only? Yes. 60. Yes, 66. Write all of the children. 68 plus 21. J question. 68 plus 21. 68 plus 21. Here 68 means 60 plus 8. 21, 20 plus 1. So here we do addition. See here 8 plus 1. 8 keep in your mind, add 1. 9. 9. So here 60, here 20. 60 plus 20 how much children? 70, 80. 80. So here 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 2 8, 89. So this like only you completed children. That third bit. Now fourth bit children. Are you right first of all this? Sorry children. Right all of you? Okay now. Fourth bit children. Fourth bit. Are you completed this? Are you understand? Okay. Now fourth one. So remaining problems also this like only you completed children. Add the numbers given on the left. Add the numbers given on the left. Given on the left. Draw circle. Draw circle around the total of them. Around the total of them. So here children, this like only given the heading for the weight. So here example. So in that boxes to given children, 48 plus 26. So here giving in this box to 62, 68, 88. So this like only answers given children. Here 8 plus 6, how much? 8 plus 6. 8, keep in your mind. So here 42 children, not 48. 42. So this is here 42 only. See here 2 plus 6, how much children? 6, keep in your mind, add 2. 7, 8. So 4 plus 2, 6 only. 68 where and here. So that answer 2 you keep circle. Are you understand now? Now 75 plus 24. 75 plus 25. 24. 75 plus 24. So here what answer given? 99, 89, 79. 99, 89, 79. This like answers only given. So in this two, which answer is correct? 5 plus 4, 9 only. Yes, in all places 9. So 1's place all numbers to 9 only. Okay. Now we will check 10's place. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9 in 10's place also 9 only. So that number is 99. We keep circle this one. Okay, write all of you. Write in your notebook to children. Now 22 plus 6. 22 plus 6. 22 plus 6. 28, 48, 38. See here 22 plus 6. 2 plus 6 how much? 8 only. 2 plus 6, 8. 22 plus 6, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 is the answer. Please circle the 28. Okay, next one children. 51 plus 17. 51 plus 17. Here 1, here 7. You don't know means you keep lines, you taking sticks. Whatever you are having in your home, that you take and count it. Okay, here 1, 7. So you keep lines also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1, 8. So in 1's place 8. In all numbers to 1's place only. We are not writing that question. 78, 68, 88. In these numbers too also same, all ones place number only 8, 8, 8. 8 is there. So now we will take tens place number. Here 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Then count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. This one only complete. 68. Complete all of you. 43 plus 6. 43 plus 6. 43 plus 6. 49, 59, 69. See here 43 plus 6. 3 plus 6. How much 3 plus 6? Count. So you don't know means you keep lines only. Very easy way. You keep lines and counting. You take some books or pens and sticks, whatever you have in crayons, to take and count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how many children here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in ones place 9. Here all numbers to ones place 9 is there? Yes. Now we check tens place number only. So here 4. Tens place not there only 0. So 49 is number. So we'll circle the 49. Okay, write all of you. Next to 25 plus 31. 25 plus 31. So here 66, 46, 56. See here children, 5 plus 1, how much? 6. So in ones place all numbers to 6 only. Here 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 56. So we circle. Write all of you children. Write in your notebook and textbook to also circle it children. Write all of you. Okay, are you completed? Next one. Next one children. Fifth bit. Add the numbers shown below. So now fifth bit children. Are you completed with this? No. Circle it children. Simple only. Do addition and do circle. Which answer will come? That answer will you keep circle. So write all of you. So next one. Add the numbers. Add the numbers shown below. Shown below. See here, we are giving 10. So add plus 10. 20, 25, 36, 48. This like only given. See here children, this is like only given question in your textbook. So now 20 plus 10. place, tens place number only. 2 plus 1. This 1 only children. 2 plus 1, 3. 30. 20 plus 10 equals to 30. Are you understand here? 25 plus 10. 5 plus 0. 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 35. 25 plus 10 equals to 35. 36 plus 10. 6 plus 0. 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 46. Here. 8 plus 0. 8. 4 plus 1. 5. 58. 48 plus 10 equals to 58. This one 36 children. 36 plus 10 equals to 46. 25 plus 10 equals to 35. 20 plus 10 equals to 30. Are you understand this? Write all of you children. Write in your book. Okay children, in this problem 2 next week is having next one, next topic. This next topic I will explain in next class too. Okay children.